Thank you, Madam Chair. And I would like to exercise my right to reply in respect to I'm taking the floor in response to the statement made by the organization CAFED. First of all, and last of all, I would like to remind participants that Abkhazia is an undivided part of Georgia, which is occupied by the Russian Federation, as is attested by and recognized by the international community. In this regard, I just want to draw your attention again to following international legal judgments. First of all, it's judgment of 21st January 2021 in the case Georgia versus Russia 2, 7th of March of 2023, and 17th December of 2004, made by European Court of Human Rights, in which where the court established the responsibility of the Russian Federation for grave human rights violations during the period of occupation of Abkhazia, Georgia, following the August Georgian-Russian War of 2008. As the state exercising effective control over those regions, Russia is responsible for practically everything that's going on in there. And also the judgment of 9th of April of 2024, again of the European Court of Human Rights, in the case of Georgia versus Russia 4, in which the court confirmed violations of the European Convention on Human Rights due to unlawful borderization by the Russian Federation, including of the right to life, the prohibition of torture, of inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment, the right to liberty and security, the right to respect for private and family life, the right for protection of property, the right to education, and the right for freedom of movement. To sum it up, until the full deoccupation of Georgian regions occupied by the Russian Federation, the dire human rights situation therein will remain unchanged. Thank you.
Thank you.